So I am working on removing the trunk latch on the Nissan Versa Hatchback. You see the trunk latch is beneath this plastic right here on the trunk lid. And believe it or not, the hardest part of this job is to get this piece of plastic off without damaging it. It will get cracked if you just pull it in the wrong spot. So you just got to be really careful. This is the hardest part. And you'll see that there are side panels here. But this one is missing, but sometimes this panel is tucked into this, but I don't think we need to remove these to get it off. I think that we can just start pulling. You want to get your plastic pry tools out. You know what, let me secure this and we'll just start messing with it. Now there are clips that kind of angle in this way. I'll show you when I get this removed. And we want to start pulling from this side and maybe just go carefully and find what will disconnect first. Sometimes I don't think we want to pull from this side. I think we want to pull from this side. Okay, there we go. Just do it one by one. Yeah, there we go. All right. Yeah, so the top part is held on. This is the top part by the window, and there are these white clips. So I think that you want to release those first and replace them when you go to reinstall it. And then there's these metal clips that are underneath. These are closer to where the latch sits in here. And that's I think where the plastic normally breaks. I just wanted to spend some extra time telling you about this because I've broken plenty of these trying to get to the trunk latch. And then the easy part of the job here is there are just 3 10mm bolts that hold the trunk latch in place. I use an impact in the salvage yard. The latch will drop down and you just kind of disconnect it from here. There's a plug, you just press down on that and disconnect it. There you go. Be careful about the aftermarket replacements for these. Try to go OEM or an OEM used one and you'll be good to go. The aftermarket ones, the electrical plug doesn't plug in properly. I'll put a link to a video on that OEM part number in the description as well as a link to eBay. We'll see you next time.